sister. So today we're going to unbox and paint a tea set. This is मतलब हमारी खाला है, उन्होंने हमें गिफ्ट भेजा है एक टी सेट. तो आज हम उसे अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं और पेंटिंग करेंगे तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है. और ये है फन विद आरिब एंड आन्या की एपिसोड 5. तो बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आने वाला है. तो चले आन्या वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. सो गाइस ये हमारा टी सेट है, पेंटेड, मतलब इसमें लिखा हुआ है पेंटेड टी सेट. आन्या, आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes.
Let me and Anya unbox it. So guys, now let us unbox. यहाँ पे एक टेप लगी हुई है. So can you give me the knife? Okay. Or now we're gonna unbox it. So let me first cut it. Okay. So now they want to get yeah, right here. And now let us open it. Anya, are you excited? This is our tea set and we are really excited to unbox it. So there is a plastic sheet on it. So I just took out the plastic sheet and put it here down. And these are like the paints we are going to paint with, and these are washable paints. You can put them here. And this is the paint brush.
It had a little cap right
for painting, and it had a little cap right here. So these are the, like, you know, things. These are the plates and these are the cups. There are four of them. You can see.
Because there are 4 plates too.
Yeah, there are 4 plates. And there is also a jug, or I say what? Like there's a jug. In which we can put some like
Tea.
juice, and then Anya will sip.
Now I put it in.
So without wasting time, I think now we should paint it.
I'm so much excited.
I'm also really excited, Anya. So guys, these are the plates. Me and Anya are going to paint. So first of all, Anya will paint the first plate. You can change it. It's okay. So guys, अब हम लोग इस प्लेट को पेंट करने वाले हैं. पहले आन्या करेगी, उसके बाद मैं करूँगा और देखते हैं किसकी ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी. एंड इट विल बी नाइस. गाइस, हम लोगों ने एक न्यूज़पेपर बिछा दिया है क्योंकि अगर टेबल पे गलत लगा तो ये सारी गलतियाँ हमारी होंगी, फिर हमें डांट पड़ेगी. So guys, we are really sad because we have to go to school.
Finish school and we actually finished all our
Oh,
classes.
I forgot. Schools said that we got 10 more holidays.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, I forgot. Like, we can upload videos daily. I will focus on my editing and on, like, I will focus on my challenges, on my stories and videos with Anya. We call Fun with Arib and Anya. तो मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, मैंने मतलब काफ़ी वक्त बाद एक वीडियो अपलोड की. मैंने अपनी एक वीडियो ड्राइंग चैलेंज, उसके अंदर मैंने आने के साथ ना ड्राइंग.
That's a long time ago.
वी कैन लाइक, ये आप इसको पेंटिंग चैलेंज कह सकते हैं. तो इट्स लाइक दैट, बट वी विल ट्राई टू अपलोड वीडियोस डेली.
What? I forgot the cap.
अब आने जल्दी से करते हैं. Now guys, I am done with the upper side, and now I'm doing the next side, like इसकी पिछली वाली जगह पर. तो these paints are really smooth and they're going really nice. है ना Anya?
Yes.
One eternity later.
Well guys, that's the end of the video.
Like, share and subscribe. We will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.